measure the solar current and the voltage produced by the solar panel. Okay, so just turn back the solar panel. Okay, so if you see this, the solar panel having a rating of, okay, this solar panel having a rating of, what is that? The voltage, open circuit voltage is 18 volts, and the current is 2.77 ampere, and this is the peak power. Peak power is nothing but a wattage of the solar panel. This is 50 watt panel. This is the 50 watt panel. To extract the maximum power, so we will install the solar panel in the south direction. South direction. So this is the south direction here. South direction. Because of the south direction, always use the almost all equal to latitude. We need to install the panel in the latitude. Here, so I am in the Visakhapatnam, so the latitude is 17 degrees. తీసుకున్న inclinometer తీసుకోండి 17 degrees లో పెట్టండి, at 20 లో పెట్టండి.
ఇంకా ఒకసారి ఆగండి.
మళ్ళీ కరెక్ట్గా అవసరం లేదు, కొంచెం పక్క లేను దాన్ని వదిలేదు, పడిపోదు, వదిలేదే, మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఉంటుంది దానికి, స్కిప్ అయిపోతుందా? ఓకే, I just put it here 20 degrees angle, so where we can get the maximum output. Okay, then so we take the wires of the positive negative terminals of the solar, positive negative terminals of the solar. Okay, to measure this one, the multimeter need to set in the voltage mode. Voltage mode. So it is in the
19.2.
It is in the 200 mA. So we need to put here in the voltage mode, and this mode is the mode is the current mode. This
current
mode is the
current
mode. Okay. చూపించు. This mode is the current mode, and we are in the voltage mode. So we are set in the 20 volts. The multimeter is set in the 20 volts. Now it is showing that the positive is connected to the positive and negative is connected to the negative. Now it is showing the voltage is the
19.1.
how much voltage there? 19.2
volts.
To measure this solar panel, we need to connect the positive wire to the positive terminal, negative wire to negative terminal. Now we're going to connect to the, we're going to measure the electric current. To measure the electric current, we need to set the mode in the, we need to change the mode to the current mode. That is in the 10 ampere mode.
Okay,
so తీసేసి ready plus switch off, change the mode and change to the 10 ampere multimeter. Then the current is now around 2.15 ampere. 2.15 ampere. The voltage is around 19.4 volts and around
current
take it round as a 20 volts, and the current is now 2.15. Okay. So if you multiply voltage and current, it will around 45 watts. Okay, at present now it is generating the 45 watts.